Well, it's our date. Tapos ano naman, we're excited, happy, kasi nandito yung everyone we love nandito Subic ngayon.
Silang nagkulang.
Ayun. So, nung Q4 ng 2022, nahatak ako ng friend ko mag-free dive. Ano kasi ako before, naglalaro ako ng underwater hockey. Tapos nahatak ako niya kasi nga alam niya na mahilig ako sa tubig and naghahanap talaga siya ng mga ng maaaya. So, sumama ako.
Mahabang
tama na?
buhay
Pasado ba?
kung hindi ikaw ang kasama. Pinipili na.
Fruitfulness is the trademark of a Christ follower. And that's my hope for you, Derek and me. Not just today, but you will be fruitful all the days of your lives. Not just with children, but even with your work, your business, or what have you. Everything that's revolving around Jesus will be fruitful.
So wakas, kapiling ka na. Natakot pa ako na mag-isa. Mundo kong malabo, kinulayan mo.
Then nakilala ko si May. Si May yung naging partner ko, dive buddy. Kasi bawal kapag dive mag-isa. So kailangan pag bababa ka ng tubig, may kasama ka palagi. So ayun.
Nung nagkakilala kami, pinag-buddy kami kasi nag-dive nga kami. So, audibly, parang may narinig ako nung parang nasa tubig na kami.
Sa wakas, nandito ka na. Natakot pa ako nung simula. Sa wakas, kapiling ka na.
Complete strangers kami, pero pinag-pair up nung may bumulong daw sa kanya. Kumbaga, she knows that it was the Lord na sabi.
May gagampanan siyang papel sa buhay mo. And I shrug it off. Sabi ko lang, hindi yan. Wag naman, Lord. Parang ganun pa nga. And then, yun nga, after a few months, naging close kami, lumalabas kami with friends, and nakita ko how He takes care of others and how He takes care of me. And by that time, sabi ko, ito yung guy na aalagaan ako and husband material, kumbaga. So yun, kaya nung nag-propose din siya sa akin, tinanggap ko na din. Hindi na ako nagdalawang isip kasi it's a confirmation ng promise ni God.
Natakot pa ako nung simula. Sa wakas, kapiling ka na. Natakot pa ako na mag-isa. Mundo kong malabo, kinulayan mo.
And people will begin to see, parang may iba kay Derek, parang may nagbago na sa kanya. Dati ganito siya, maloko siya. Derek, daming barkada, pero ngayon parang sobrang mahal na mahal niya si May. Si May, nagbago din. And people will see the difference. There's something about this couple that's, maybe they would say it, that's not right. Parang ibang-iba. You will be set apart by Christ. And when that happens, people will begin to ask, anong meron ang faith nyo? Bakit ganyan kayo sa marriage? Kahit ang dami yung problema, nakangiti pa rin kayo, you're still holding fast together. Kaya nyo magpatawad sa isa't isa. What's happening in your marriage? And when people start seeing that, here's my charge for you. Point them back to the source of life. Why? Because only Jesus can bring life, and so that others will see the light that you have.
Maubusan man ang oras ang mundo, mawala man ang pag-ibig ng mga tao.
May,
Me growing up as a God-fearing Catholic, our Lord has always been guiding me with a gentle, abrupt voice. I wholeheartedly believe that it's God's intention for us to join in marriage.
As I stand on this beach today, I am reminded of how it all started. The countless dives we've shared, and the depths that we explored together, and the journey that brought us here. For the very first time that we put our pins together in the shores of Mabini.
Man ng ilang beses magunaw ang mundo sa'yo, sa'yo. Ako sa pagsikat ng araw, ikaw ang nais
Today, before God and these witnesses, I vow to love you unconditionally. I promise to always stay faithful, to always be by your side, and to provide and protect you. I will understand and respect your needs, honoring you as a cherished partner in God's grace. You are my chosen companion, and I commit to loving, comforting, and providing for you alone for as long as we both shall live.
ay habang buhay kang ibigin, habang buhay kang pipiliin.
I promise to stand by your side through the calm and rough waters. I will not hinder you and inspire you and encourage you all my life. People may say na our love is not the fairy tale type of love story. Walang sparks. But our love is like the sea pag walang current. Steady, quiet, strong, and deep. And just like we always do in diving, ako ang safety buddy mo at si Lord ang buya natin na mag-guide sa atin. Never ka nang mag-iisa.
I dedicate myself to following God's plan for our lives, leading and caring for you and our children to be. Together, we'll work to continue building a household in faith and advancing His kingdom until our Lord Jesus Christ returns.
Habang buhay kang ibigin, habang buhay kang pipiliin. Pagod man ng ilang beses magunaw ang mundo sa'yo, sa'yo.
Today, I take you as my husband to love you, to honor you, to submit to you as long as both shall live. I will support you and respect you as the head of our household. I love you more than the depths of the sea, and I can't wait to begin this new chapter with you, my forever life buddy.
Di ko pipilitin, di ko pipilitin na akong piliin